Buddy, it's your boy SergDragon, and look who's at the place, Ruby. Haven't seen you in a long time on my YouTube page, have you? And I'll be sharing it on Facebook. I'll be sharing it on Twitter. I'll be sharing it on Tumblr. And he's gonna be like, what the heck is that in my face? Not that thing again! That's my buddy. As you can see, I'm cleaning out his cage. I'm changing his sheets. Well, cleaning them, really. We use the same ones over and over, but first we gotta wash it. It's covered in feathers. Yes, and it stunk. His cage stunk, so that's why I'm cleaning it. That's right, I gotta take this one while I'm at it. But for the time being, I mess with him, and he got himself a little escape artist. Let's see if I can showcase, zoom in. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in, see how it looks on my camera. I'm gonna place it on my bed. Let me see if I can put my... There you go. You gotta bring your food, Ruby. Here comes the food. You see here. It's facing him. There you go. There you go, Ruby. Got your food? I got your food? You want it? Come get it. Come get your exercise. He's like, give me that food. Give me that food. You okay? Work those legs. Nope. And you hooked? Yeah, your nails are long. It was a bad incident with us because we tried to cut his nails, and his nails are so long now we don't know where the cuticle? The blood vein is, I should say. There you go. You got it, bud. You got it. Oh, he is hungry. Look at that. He's a little glutton. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. I'll make sure he eats all his food, too. Make sure you eat all those seeds, all those good stuff. There you go. There you go. Let's see him eating. You see, whoops, too zoomed. Too zoomed. There you go. Whoa, too dark. There you go. There you go, boy. Hey, don't drop the kind of thing. Drop your pepper, man. Here. Drop your pepper. I'm gonna get that pepper. I'm gonna get that pepper. I'm gonna get that pepper for you. Get that pepper. Here's a pepper. Here's a pepper. Here. Wait. Sorry. Reflexes. Here's your pepper. He likes peppers. I know he does. He chews the hell out of them. He likes his dry, hot peppers. Especially his peanuts. That's his favorite. I imagine a lot of parrots love peanuts. Likes cracking them. Likes the salty goodness. Okay, Ruby, I'm gonna